Yo, what is going on, guys? Beautiful day out, isn't it? Wonderful day. It's a Sunday. It's a Sunday stunt day. So we are on our way to the stunt spot to meet up with everybody for just the stunt session. We're gonna have guys on Groms, guys on Harleys, guys on Supermotos like me. So a quick shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. It really means a lot to me. It does, you know what I mean? I probably would make videos regardless, but it's nice to know that someone out there is watching them and enjoying them, hopefully. So I'm gonna keep doing my thing. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys, anyone who's viewing the videos. Thank you for the the likes, or if you share the video. You guys are awesome, and I really appreciate it. Damn, hit the scrape. Oh my god, I did not mean to hit a scrape. But we just hit a scrape, so why not? I was like, whoa, this is going pretty far back. And then I hear that classic scrape sound of the fucking plastic fender. Oh, that was good. That was fucking cool. Kind of scary because I definitely didn't mean to do that, but that's all right. We're all good, brother. And here we are, guys, the stunt spot. We got a little bit of seat bounce. dude. Dangerous to be right behind someone in the wheelie, but that's okay. Hell yeah, dude. Nice to be finally be good enough to do some stunts.
On this bike.
Yeah.
I've only ridden the Grom for like a month. It's kind of weird to have power again. But
Yeah.
sit down in Enocher now.
What?
I go from sit down in Enocher, like in a wheelie.
Sit down in. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've never done that. Have you not done it on this?
No, I learned on the Grom. It was hard as shit on that one.
I can do knee knock to sit down fine, but not the other way.
It's weird. You have to like go really quick.
Do you like my new fender?
I love it, dude. I saw like one of them you went to scrape. You were like that far away right in front of me.
Yeah.
As close as you can get without scraping.
Yeah. Yeah. All these two were just like kind of accidental still, where I'm just like throwing it back.
Back.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
Woo! Shit! Killer! Got back on the big bike, man. Hell yeah. I think I'm in second gear. I can't tell though. That was definitely second gear. Guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and scrape a little bit, and then I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little lot session video. I'll definitely have more videos like this in the future. You know, if you guys want to see that type of thing, then yeah, comment below or whatever, and I can do more of these types of videos. I'll do some on the Grom, on the 450, whatever. Hell yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.